Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best surf fishing rigs you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best surf fishing rigs on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which surf fishing rigs are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is SEAOWL Surf Fishing Fish Finder Rig. The Fish Finder rig is great for naturally presenting a piece of bait across sandy bottoms. If you look closely, the Fish Finder rig is similar to a Carolina rig but uses a pyramid sinker instead of an egg sinker. Instead of a pyramid sinker, you can use a special clip and fasten a steel weight such as a bolt or spark plug. The Surf Fishing Tackle Kit has the leader rigs, sinkers, floats and terminal tackle that provides an extremely convenient fishing experience. This tackle kit is ideal for surf and inshore fishing on piers, jetties and beaches, perfect to fish stripped bass, snook, red drum, shark, speckled sea trout, bluefish, fluke, flounder, lingcod, corbina, surf perch, and croaker. 12 pieces fishing circle hook rigs, 4 pieces pyramid sinker, 16 pieces sinker slider, 16 pieces foam peg floats, 32 8mm fishing beads. For details, let's watch more. Our second best surf fishing rigs is AIRKOUL fishing rigs. This rig is easy to tie, but it does help to have a few pre-made Carolina rigs in your saltwater tackle bag. For most of your surf fishing, you will find that a simple flapper rig, either a 1, 2, or 3 hook version, can best fit your needs. These are the simplest and often most effective of all surf fishing rigs. They produce excellent results. The best approach is to tie the hook trace, also called a snood, onto a swivel, and locate the swivel on the body line between a couple of beads and locking crimps. This gives the snoods a much better chance of dealing with any line twists caused by the bait flapping around as it flies through the air on the cast, or while sinking to the seabed. On a 2 or 3 hook flapper rig, the lower snood can be longer to give better bait separation on the seabed. Number 3 in our list is YOTO Fishing Tackle Rig. To provide your main fishing line with protection against damage and breaking, to have a better bait presentation. The invisibility and abrasion resistance of the nylon line is the perfect solution to the sharpness of the big fish's teeth rocks. It has multiple arms to increase the hit rate of fishing. You have the opportunity to catch 2 fish at the same time. Wire leader made of high-strength nylon material, abrasion resistant, not easy to rust. Nylon fishing wire rigs completes with swivels, snap and bead, ideal for most bottom fishing and surf fishing. The wire arms doubles the amount of bait you can put in the water and allows you to try different baits at the same times. Maybe you can catch 2 fish at the same time. When the nylon line is subjected to 30 pounds to 50 pounds, the nylon line will slowly extend and have a strong ductility, thus relieving the pull of the fish. Can be used as all-water layer search high ductility, so it is not easy to tear the mouth of fish, able to stretch which will help absorb the impact of a fast-moving aggressive fish. Fourth recommendation in our side is JSHANMEI Surf Fishing Rig. This is Fish Finder Rig Surf Fishing Tackle Box with tackle included, premium tackle to make surf fishing rigs. Great for travel and fishing gifts. Ideal fishing gift for men, dad, husband, etc. The Fish Finder Rig is one of the simplest, most effective surf rigs used for beach fishing. Whether for beginner or experienced surf fishermen alike, it helps increase catch rate. 135 pieces surf rig kit include 4 pyramid sinker, 30 circle hooks, 6 J hooks, 20 sinker slider, 20 barrel swivels, 5 wire leaders, 50 fishing beads. All the fishing terminal tackles are made of premium material, high hardness, good corrosion resistance, strong and durable, will not easily rust or break. All fishing tackles are packed in a reusable plastic box which is easy to carry, and convenient to get the exact fishing tackles you need. Great for travel and fishing gifts. Last in our top 5 best surf fishing rigs list is Shaddock Fishing Surf Fishing Rig. This is a surf fishing rig designed for fishing over rough ground. More often than not, the lead weight is what gets caught. Surf fishing rig contains 12 pieces fishing wire leader rigs, 4 pieces pyramid sinkers, 30 pieces fishing hooks. Fishing tackle, equipment, and gear gets abused and tested every time you hit the water. This rig is made with the highest quality components from the swivel, snap, pyramid sinker, sleeves, hook, stainless steel wire leader. Whether you are fishing off the beach, on a boat in the ocean, with a surf fishing rod and reel or a pier, this shark fishing rig is designed for everyone.